Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the Poke Project. Here we do Pokemon card unboxings, Pokemon pack openings, and all things related to Pokemon. Um, this is my first upload, so bear with me through any hiccups. Today we've got something super fun for you. We're going to be going through 50 Pokemon packs of the Dollar Tree Store Sun and Moon Unified Minds packs. If you don't know, the Dollar Tree packs are 3 cards each, and they don't always have a holo or GX card in them. So what I've done is I've purchased a couple boxes. I've already gone through and pre-weighed 50 packs out. So we're just going to be taking the heavier packs. So it's going to be a much more exciting video for you guys. So yeah, we got 50 packs. Let's get started. We're looking for, specifically today, we're going to be looking for the secret rare Mew and Mewtwo GX. And that's going to be Rainbow Rare. And then we're looking for a secret rare Misty's Favor, that is. And we're also looking for a Rainbow Rare Dragonite GX. This is our first pack here. Sometimes the holo's at the back, sometimes it's not. So we got Eligem, Yanma, and oh, good start. There we go. Heatran GX right off the start. First card. That's a pretty cool card. Let's just pack that right up. So we're going to sleeve all of our GX cards today. And maybe we'll go through them all at the end and show them off there. Move those off to the side here. So that's one pack down. Let's see here. So I think the most valuable just regular GX card is the Mew and Mewtwo GX. So we'll be looking for that one as well. So we'll do the card trick again. Okay, U-turn board, Shroomish, and oh my goodness, Espeon Deoxys GX. That's 2 in a row right off the start. There we go. That's looking pretty good. Save that one. Let's keep going here. Sorry, I shouldn't be showing that Snover right away there. That's all right. We know he's there. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we got a Noctowl. That's pretty cool. We got that Snover. And we've got a reverse holo Fomantis. That's all right. Sometimes one side is much harder to open than the other. So I kind of play around with it a little bit. So we got Eligem, got a Hoothoot, and a Gumshoe. Oh, it looks like this is a 4-card pack. Interesting. Okay, must be an error pack. No shinies in that one. We'll keep going here. This one's giving me some troubles. Okay, let's see what we got here. That should be the shiny. Just the one card. Tranquil, Honedge, and a reverse holo Cottony. Alright, let's keep going. There we go. Oh, there's the holo right off the start. Yeah, like I said, sometimes they're at the back, sometimes they're in the middle. So that's a pretty sweet card. Garchomp, reverse holo, Fletchling, and then Onyx. Oh, there's the holo again, right at the back. The U-turn board. So Waddle and Noibat. Okay, we're on to our, looks like our 7th pack here. Pretty good couple hits right off the start there. We got Tranquil, Cottony, and we've got a Noibat reverse holo. Always love those dragon cards, they're pretty cool. Type Null. Purloin. Oh, looks like we got a good card here. What is it? A full art Blues Tactics. Look at that. That's a cool card. And I'll be putting the values of some of these cards up at the bottom of the screen probably. Look at that. That's a gorgeous card actually. Let's keep going. Oh, there we go. Reverse holo right at the back in Noivern. That's a pretty nice card. Cubone and Litwick. There we go. This is the first of our sets of 10 here. Final one from this set. One from the back. We got Fracture, Marianne, and oh, we got something good. Whoa, Raichu, Alolan Raichu GX, Rainbow Rare. Here we go. That is one of the most valuable cards in this pack, that's for sure. That's a big hit. Let's get that sleeved. Centering's a little bit heavy on the right side, but it's overall it's pretty good. There we go. We're on to our next set of 10 out of 50. Let's see. Good cards to start. Wow. We got Kamala, Carablast, and oh my goodness, a GX, a Ganadel GX. I think that's how you pronounce that. Ultra Beast. That's a pretty nice card. Like I said, I do like the dragons, so any dragons that come out of this, I'm going to be pretty happy with. Let's see what's coming up next here. Keeping track, that is 5 GX cards already. 5 good cards. Okay, Yanmega. We got Magnemite. Oh my goodness. Mega, Sableye, and Tyranitar GX. That is a gorgeous card. Wow, full art. I believe that is an ultra rare card. Let's see that one. We're getting some awesome hits here, guys. Look at that one. Okay, moving on here. Okay, Karate Belt, Cubone, and a reverse holo Dynamo. A bit of a streak going there for a second. Okay, the next one. All right, here we go. Oh, so there's our reverse holo right at the start. That's all right. Magnezone, Hoothoot, and Pikachu. That's a cool Pikachu card. Still got quite a few more packs to go through, so lots more to come, hopefully. Okay, there's our reverse holo hit, or recycle energy. Got a Nummel and a Scraggy. Okay, we got a Lampent, Stunfisk, and reverse holo Snover. Go. The card trick as usual. Gabite, a Doof, and we've got a reverse holo Dratini. Always love the Dratinis. Let's see here. Okay, we're almost down to our first 20 done. So we got Cresselia, Hypole, and we've got a Galvantula reverse holo. Okay. Okay, there's our reverse holo right at the top. Relicanth, Polygonal, Yungoos. Let's keep going here. It's a marathon at this point. Okay. I'm not even going to try and pronounce that one. We're going to move right on. Purloin and Pineapple reverse holo hit. Okay, that'll be our first 20. So on to the next 30 here, or the next 10 rather. Starting to stack up the wrappers here in the corner. Might move those in a bit. Okay, let's go. Okay, we got Carcosta, Finneon, and Luminion. Evolution there. That's got to be a good sign, right? Okay, let's keep going. Okay, we got a Wynut, Cottony, and reverse holo Scraggy. Haven't had a big hit in a while since that Tyranitar and Mega Sableye GX, but that was pretty good. That'll definitely tide us over for a bit. LGM, Honedge, and we've got a holo Terrakion. I like those regular holos, that's for sure. That's a nice card. Okay, moving on. Keep it going. Carcosta, Finneon, and oh, look at that, another holo. Golisopod, I guess that's pronounced. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's keep going. Normalium Z. I thought that was holo for a second, but it's not. It's an interesting card. Drillbur, and what have we got? Murkrow, reverse holo. Okay. Swadloon, Bounsweet. Oh, Heatran GX, another one. Let's go. Hopefully we can start a streak up again here. Yeah, definitely getting some big piles over here. Okay, Mesprit. I think I might have saw something good there. Scaruppi, and oh yeah, we got a GX. We got a Mawile GX. That's pretty cool. It's a nice card. They seem to be coming in like pairs here, all these GXs. I don't know what's going on there. Okay, next pack. Oh, there we go. Okay, there's our reverse holo, the barrel, Hoot Hoot, and the Alolan Grimer. Alright. Lapras, Alolan Grimer, and we've got a reverse holo Litwick. Okay, last pack here of these ones. Keep going. Still have yet to see that Mew and Mewtwo GX. We do have a Rainbow Rare though already, so that's pretty exciting. Okay, there's our reverse holo Escavalier. Got Dratini, Joltik. Okay, moving on to the last 20 here. Keep it going, almost done. Okay. Let's see, we got Coach, Trainer, Pikachu, and reverse holo Carapasta again. That's a pretty common one, it seems. Okay. Reset Stamp, Bounce Sweet. Oh, Hoopa, holo hit. That one looks good. That's a cool art card right there. Put that over with our holos. Let me know in the comments here if there's any sets you guys want me to go through. Pick something up from the store. We can do some openings in that set. Yeah, let me know your thoughts. Okay, keep going here. Basculin, Murkrow, and reverse holo Stunfisk. Okay. Noctowl, Drifloon, Haxorus, Shiny Dragon, reverse holo. Okay. Tortoga, Magmar, Scraggy. Oh, there's our reverse holo. Right at the back again. Stunfisk, Snover, Fletchinder. Okay. Oh, didn't do the card trick that time. That was our reverse holo anyway. As of. It's a pretty cute card actually. One edge. Oh, there's our reverse holo Rado again. Webble, Lickitung. Sometimes the corner gets stuck on these when you rip them. That's alright. Here we got Noctowl. A Noctowl, Shroomish, and oh, Terrakion again. Holo hit. Okay, on to the last 10, guys. Let's see if we can get one of those secret rares that we're looking for. Hopefully. Even that Mew and Mewtwo GX would be nice. Stanny, Metatite, and Reverse Holo Yungoos. So far, it seems like we're at about like 2 in 10, maybe 2 out of 10. The GX or Secret Rare. That's pretty good odds. And keep in mind, these are all heavier packs, so you won't typically get these if you just go straight and buy them right from the store. Oh, Alolan Raichu. Holo, that's a nice one. I do like those holo cards. Okay, we got Electrike, Sneasel, and Meloetta. I believe that's how you pronounce that. Could be wrong. Alright, got a couple left here, guys. Heracross, Drillbur, and Murkrow. Here we go. Let's see this. Alright. Got a Jinx, that's kind of a weird looking card. Snorunt, oh, and I think I see something here. Mawile GX, another Mawile GX. I'm okay with that. Definitely like all the GX cards here. Okay, I think we just have 5 packs left, guys. Here we go. Last 5 of this video. Okay, we got Munchlax, Scruffy. Oh, there it is. Garachomp, Giratina, GX, guys. Holy rainbow rare. That's a gorgeous card. Centering looks pretty good too. Maybe a little heavy on the right side. Yeah, on the back you can see a little bit heavy there. But damn, that's a good card. That is a nice looking card. Save that up. I'm happy with that so far, guys. We got a lot of really good hits today. That's pretty exciting. Well, we have made a mess here too, that's for sure. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, we got a Honchkrow, Onyx, and Stunfisk. Okay, last 3 packs, guys. Come on, let's get one more big pull here. Channeler, Scruffy, you just saw that one. Oh, Victini, Holo. I was happy about Holos, that's for sure. Okay. Let's see what we got. Gabite, Snover, and Elgin. Alright, guys, last one here. Magneton, Rilo, and Drillbur for our last one. That's about it, guys. Those are pack openings. We'll show you guys on camera here all the ones we got. We got Heatran GX, Mawile GX, Garachomp Giratina, Mawile, Heatran, Mega Sableye Tyranitar, Ganadel, Raichu, Alolan Raichu, gorgeous, Blues Tactics, and Espeon Deoxys GX. That about does it, everyone. Thanks for watching today. Thanks for coming to my new channel. That was really fun. Hopefully we can do some more soon. Tune in next week and we'll do something fun. Okay, thanks. Remember to like and subscribe.